Hi everyone, Steve from OpenBOM. Today's video will answer the question of how do I create a purchase order with parts from multiple BOMs, or how do I combine multiple BOMs onto a single purchase order. So I've got, as you can see here, I've got two bills of material, the Dash 100 and the Dash 200, and I've created something called F1 Combined. It's sort of a temporary BOM, and I've added the Dash 100, and then I'm going to go ahead now and add the Dash 200. These are the two that I'd like to combine onto single POs. I'll put one of those in there. Taking advantage of the fact that OpenBOM uses part number to connect bills of material. Okay, let's look at this in multi-level. Maybe it'll make a little more sense. Here's the 200, and here is the 100. So as you can see, they share some common parts, and others they're unique. So the next thing we've done is created an order BOM. Here I've created one for 4 units, and it will combine, it's 4 units of that combined, that F1 combined, and you can see we've got our quantity on hand. Our vendor came through from the catalogs, and this is the combined quantity gap. These are how many I need to order to build this quantity. So, okay, that's it. We're in the order BOM. Let's create some purchase orders. It's as easy as that. Let's take a look in particular at the McMaster car PO. Here we see we need to order 56 of these because we have eight on hand. And likewise for the other numbers, I like to change this number here to quantity because it looks better on my purchase order. So I rename that to quantity, and let's just go ahead and put this out as a PO, and it'll include the quantity, the part number, the thumbnail image, and the cost. And let's put this into a PDF, and here we go. There's a nice, from my company Oldcastle, here's a nice PO to McMaster with quantity, part number, thumbnail, and cost. And keep in mind that these quantities are the combined quantities from both the Dash 100 and Dash 200 bills. Thanks.